gentlemen of the jury, I would like to call upon to the witness stand to account for his multiple counts of spiral charges, the man whom they call Mr. Slavemater. Mr. Slavemater, I dreamt of 1,000 Black Star Line ships bringing home millions of dislocated accents and amputated limbs of tons of our brothers and sisters, you trapped in your pretty lands that never loved us. So Mr. Slavemater, I charge you for being the master of evil. I charge you for backbreaking our helpless brothers, trying to emasculate them. I wonder how it feels like to call us degenerate and primitive, so I charge you for raping our poor sisters, resulting in the innocent blood you call mulattoes, creoles, quadroons, and ogdrons, your human equivalents of mules. I charge you for mutilating, lynching, incarcerating, abusing, violating, and enslaving innocent people. I charge you for binding their hands behind their defenseless, bleeding bare backs, and on the decks of uncountable ships you taught how to be cruel. I charge you for your slave ships. I charge you for Henrietta, Murray, Lamistad, Wider, Wanderer, and Brooks, your iconic images of inhumanity and slave trade. I charge you for the merciless tree trunks and fires you taught how to hate and ruthlessly kill black people. I charge you when you should have known, you should have known that black bodies don't crack or die, and you should have learned that from the centuries of heartless efforts you